Good afternoon, folks. Right, just a test after the various repairs I had to do to this after Sunday. The motor died on me and the ESC failed to function. It wasn't registering at all on a LiPo battery being in, but it was at the very least giving me steering. I've had the motor out, stripped it down, cleaned it out. Comes still in perfect nick. It doesn't need skinned or anything like that. Reassembled it, put it back in, reconnected the motor leads. I've just got a tiny little 1500 2S in here for test purposes. As you can see, it's working remarkably well again. Bin runner here, right, well that's all. I just needed to do a test run to show that my ESC hadn't packed in, which I thought it had, which is great. Oh, that'll do. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.